Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. You caught me just about to install my new NUTOMO. It's a smart lock. This thing's high quality. I have a lot of experience with this company, so let me tell you all the details about this fantastic product. Now first, I love that the handles are reversible. They're stainless steel and they don't leave fingerprints on the stainless steel. On top of that, you've got an easy backlit keyboard that I'll show you in the up close portion of the video, as well as the fingerprint. Now this uses 4 AA batteries and remembers hundreds of passwords. One of the cool tricks and technology that they have now is that you can randomize a couple numbers before, randomize a couple numbers at the end, and have your pin in the middle. That's going to keep onlookers from seeing and knowing your password, because maybe the first 2 digits change every time. That's really fantastic. Now this is a company that's been in business for a long period of time. Again, 4 AA batteries, but it has a backup where you can charge it with USB as well. So it's a one-touch lock. You've got the backup keys, the user codes, and fingerprints. It's got the low battery alarm to where you never have to worry about it. And with 4 AA batteries, it's gonna last for a significant amount of time. Now I gotta show you the high quality here. This stainless steel looks great, but it comes in more than one color, so pick out your favorite one. Now I'm gonna ask you to stick around as we have the up close portion of the video. You get to see how it will talk to you. Yeah, it's really smart in a clear voice, and this is gonna be great if you got an Airbnb, if you wanna have guests at your house, but you don't want them always to have your PIN number. Maybe the pet sitter, maybe the babysitter has a special PIN number that only works for a certain period of time. Easily programmable, add and subtract PIN numbers, has a key, has the fobs. 2 of the fobs come with it and 3 keys. So let's go ahead, let me show you a little bit more up close, and then we're gonna have the real up close portion of the video where it's kind of the unboxing. Stick around. All right, folks, I want to show you up close how easy this is to use. Now, first, you can press it to see the backlight, and then I'm going to enter my password, press the pound sign, and it asks me to come in, and now I can unlock it. On top of that, I can also use my fob right here to enter, and I can use my fingerprint. On top of all of that, it does have, I'll show you, key access, as well as the charging for the backup battery of that USB. Now, you flip her over, and I gotta show you, I love how this thing talks to you, but I love also that it's got the AA battery. So 4 AA batteries is going to last for a long period of time. And then if you ever need to reset it, from the inside, you can reset and redo your admin passwords. So the fact that you can store tons and tons of passwords, temporary, permanent, etc., that's a big deal. It's got the key fob, it's got the keys, and it's easy to use. So folks, you're gonna wanna go ahead and pick yours up. It's waterproof, has the backup keys, and it's absolutely fantastic. All right, go ahead and pick yours up. You will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos. All right, folks, now it's time for the up-close portion of our video. This is NUTOMO's smart lock with handle. It's a reversible handle. One of the things I love about this is you can add in a couple extra digits before or after your code to confuse would-be snoops. Yeah, and you can change those randomly. So if you've got 2 random digits at the beginning and 2 random digits at the end, it's sure to mess with any snoops. It's got the one-touch lock, fingerprint access. You can use your fob card, and it's got the backup keys. And the low battery alarm lets you know when it's running low on battery, but it has a backup battery that you can charge with USB-C. So this thing, they've thought of it all. Now, NUTOMO is very well known for having easy to read schematics in English, which I really like. You can adjust the latch size, you can reverse the handle, And as I said, you can use keys, you can use your thumb, you can use the pin, etc., etc. There's 4 different ways to open it. So now, I like that this is a well-organized box, easy to figure out what you're doing. You're not assembling handles, the rubberized back, and of course it is waterproof. See, very sturdy, nice device that comes in 2 different colors. I like, again, the reversible handles, so you can put it on doors either way you want them, and then your batteries just go right in there. Easy peasy to the degree of lemon squeezy. All right, folks, it's really easy to install. I'm a big fan. It does come with all your mounting stuff. If you want to replace this out, that's perfect. You've got your keys. You got 2 of them, 3 of them, excuse me. Wow, I've never seen them come with 3. That's great. NUTOMO is really doing big stuff. A couple of fobs and your plates and any screws you might want for mounting. So folks, if you're looking for a high quality product, NUTOMO doing it time and time again for you and the family. Look at this. Let me just go ahead and move everything out of the way for you so you can see it. Easy to read, remove before use. This is going to scan fingerprints. It's going to light up, illuminated, easy to use, and a fantastic product. Let me go ahead and walk through this box one more time. But again, folks, I want to thank you for watching. I know I sound like a broken record, but I really appreciate everything that you guys do. It's a smart lock. This is good for home use. For Airbnbs, B&Bs, and visitors, you can set up temporary passcodes. And this is going to be a really fantastic device. All right, folks, go ahead and pick yours up. It does have the outline for template if you need to drill the hole in the door. That's nice that they include that, letting you know how far you need it. Easy wiring, straightforward, and I'm sure it probably has a default pin number that you can use until you set your custom and guest pins. The USB port is right on the top, going to be right up here. It's got the battery cover, the handle, the IC wire that's connect the 2 sides, the keypad and fob reading. It's going to use 4 AA batteries, good from negative 13 degrees Fahrenheit to 149. Passcode can be from 6 to 10 digits. Passwords, you can store 300 of them and 100 fingerprints. So this is good for business. IC storage, and it has IC card type 13.56 megahertz. Reversible handle, easy latching, and smooth action. Just a high quality device. You can test it, and I think you're going to love it. All right, folks, go ahead and pick yours up. You will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and go ahead and pick it up. Adios, amigos.